Why Fedora is the best Linux distro. Linux distributions come in all shapes and sizes. But if you are looking for the best blend of innovation, stability, and security, Fedora stands out. Whether you are a developer, a power user, or someone just exploring Linux, Fedora offers a modern and future-proof computing experience. In this video, we'll break down why Fedora is the best Linux distro out there, and why should you consider making this switch. Leading edge technology. Fedora is always at the cutting edge of technology. It's often the first major distro to adopt new innovations, making it a trendsetter in the Linux world. For example, Fedora was one of the first to implement Wayland as the default display server, replacing the old X Windows system. The result? Smoother graphics, better security, and improved performance. Another example is Fedora's adoption of Btrfs as its default file system. With features like data integrity protection, compression, and instant snapshots, Btrfs offers a superior file management experience compared to traditional ext4. Fedora's robust security. Fedora takes security seriously. Unlike other distributions, Fedora ships with the Security Enhanced Linux, which is SELinux, enabled by default. This advanced security layer restricts unauthorized system access and prevents vulnerabilities from spreading. Fedora also ensures your system is protected with features like address space layout randomization, which is ASLR, and compiler security enhancements. Not to mention, Fedora provides timely security updates, keeping your system safe from new threats. Fedora is perfect for developers. Fedora is a developer's paradise. It ships with all the latest development tools, including GCC, Python, Rust, and Node.js, making it easy to build and test applications. And if you are into containerization, Fedora is the birthplace of modern tools like Podman, which serves as a lightweight, daemonless alternative to Docker. With just a few commands, you can deploy containerized apps effortlessly. Fedora's software availability. Fedora makes it easy to install software. Whether you prefer GUI-based installation through the GNOME Software Center or the powerful DNF package manager in the terminal, everything is simple and efficient. And for those who need even more software options, Fedora fully supports Flatpak, opening the door to thousands of applications beyond its official repositories. Now, Fedora's strong community support. Fedora isn't just about technology, it has an amazing community. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, the Fedora community is active on forums, Discord, and even Reddit, ready to help with any issues. Since Fedora is backed by Red Hat, it also benefits from enterprise-level support, making it an excellent choice for professionals who want a stable yet modern OS. Now, modular and customizable Fedora spins. One of the Fedora's best features is its modularity. If you don't like GNOME, you can choose from Fedora spins, which comes with KDE Plasma, XFCE desktop environment, LXQT, and other desktop environments. This flexibility allows you to customize your Fedora experience to match your workflow. Now, 100% open source and ethical computing. Unlike other distributions that include proprietary software or driver by default, Fedora is fully committed to open source software. Everything in Fedora is free to use, modify, and share, making it one of the most ethical Linux distributions available. Now finally, the conclusion. Fedora is a powerful, secure, and modern Linux distribution that provides the perfect balance between cutting-edge technology and stability. Whether you are a developer, a Linux enthusiast, or just someone who wants a solid, ethical OS, Fedora has something for everyone. If you haven't tried Fedora yet, now is the time. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite features of Fedora. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Linux content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.